So I'm now going to take you through the value calculator of LeadCon. The value calculator is designed in such a way where for any businesses that comes in or you talk to, if the person is not sure about what exactly where is he or whether does he need it or not, with the value calculator you can easily help him understand that where does LeadCon stand and why does he need it. This is our LeadCon main website. Okay, on the main website, if you scroll down, you can see here is the section which is called as the LeadCon value calculator. We have also mentioned it as should I invest in the sales automation tool. Okay, like because that is one of the crucial elements which defines whether it is suitable for you or not. So if someone wants to understand you connect and you don't know whether it is going to be there or not, then using this it is possible. So I click on LeadCon value calculator. Okay, now this is a sales team member based or a company based LeadCon value calculator.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask you the question. So now let's take a hypothetical example of an organization, okay, that you might have worked or you might know, right? A simple organization, let's say with around 5 sales team members and so on and so forth. Okay. So the number of sales team members is 5. Let's consider 5. Okay. So now we are just choosing 5, or you tell me. So we have got so many. So you can tell me.
No, 5 is.
5 is fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's choose 5. What according to you could be the average salary of a sales team member?
10,000.
10,000. Okay, so we choose 10,000. How many working days in a month that they would be working, or if you are the organization, so how many days? 15, 20, 25 days?
20, 25 days.
So I choose 25 days.
Yes.
Okay. Now being in sales, communication is extremely important,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
And sending out emails and connecting with the customer is extremely important. So keeping that in mind, I'm just going to increase the size so that okay. So keeping that in mind, how many do you think the salesperson should be sending the emails to connect with the customers in a day?
In a day, no, maybe 5.
Only 5? Are you sure?
5.
Like
If
they want to connect with the customers, okay, in a day, in 8 hours.
Okay.
Isn't it? In 8 hours, only 5 emails. I guess you have got excess of money to give them. No, right? So
it's simple because you don't want to irritate the customer. That is also important, right?
Right, but then still, do you think that only connecting with 5 people is sufficient?
No, not 5. Like we need more people, of course.
Right. So how many? So 30, 40, 50. At least it's 8 hours. 8 hours of work,
30.
isn't it? 30?
Yes.
Okay. To send one email, how much time do you usually take? If you want to send an email, a communication email to a customer, how much time would you take? Tentatively, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes?
4 to 5 minutes.
5 minutes? So I'll choose 4 to 5 minutes, I'll choose 4 minutes. That you take 4 minutes to open किया, compose किया, डाला, attachment वगैरह वह सब कुछ. In a similar fashion, sometimes there might be a case that emails are not there. Then would you be sending SMSs?
Yes.
How many SMSs do you think that you would be sending?
Maybe
20, 25, 30, 15,
20.
20?
Yeah.
Okay. To send one SMS, how much time do you think you would be taking? 3 minutes, 2 minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Putting the number in, writing the message and so on and so forth. In today's day, WhatsApp is widely used.
Yes.
Isn't it? So how much do you think that these people should be connecting over WhatsApp?
How many people?
I mean customers, how many, the sales team members, the 5 sales team members that we are talking about,
Okay.
on a daily basis, how many different customers do you think that they should be connecting over WhatsApp and sending information?
More than 40 maybe.
More than 40?
Yeah, because WhatsApp is like really friendly.
Right. And fast and people watch it.
Yes.
So around 40?
Yes.
Okay. Again, to send a WhatsApp message, saving the number and so on and so forth, how much time do you think to
3
send?
to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes for
Yeah.
WhatsApp. I'll just choose 3 because we'll choose a smaller side.
Yeah.
As you know, for sales, the most important part is reporting. कि भाई आज काम क्या क्या किया तुमने, isn't it? So how much time do you think that a sales team member might be taking to write down their daily sales reports?
Writing.
I mean submitting, like writing, submitting, putting,
Maybe
whatever.
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. So just we'll go quickly.
Yeah.
As per your choice, we have chosen that there are 5 sales team members. Their average salary per member is 10,000 rupees. They are working 25 days a month. They send 30 emails for which they require 4 minutes. They may be sending 20 SMSs for which they require 3 minutes. Number of WhatsApp messages is higher because easy accessibility
Yes.
and all, hence 40, again with 3 minutes. And at the end of the day, they have to write the sales report, which is around 10 minutes, right? So now let's figure out how much can LeadCon help.
Okay.
Just remember, why have we given this is because only on the basis of this calculator can you help a business understand the value of LeadCon for them,
Okay.
or why is it necessary for them to use it. Okay. So LeadCon says that we can help you save 229 minutes per day per person.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, 229 minutes, which is as good as around 3 hours.
Yes.
Yes, 3 hours, rather 3 hours and more, right?